Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Did mommy leave you alone? Is mommy watching Filipino movie? You feel sad. Mommy's not here with you in the rain. I filmed this for mommy, that's why. Okay, Iwa? Hi? I filmed this for mommy, don't worry. She'll be coming home. She'll see this. Okay? She'll love you. Always. It's hard, y'all, not to see mommy here with the rain with you. Like a little baby playing in the water. Cry. Don't cry to mommy, baby. Don't cry to mommy. You're a big boy now. It's okay. You don't have to run and hide. You don't have to run and hide. It's okay. Give Dad the 5. Good boy. You're the best. Dad love you. Dad love. I know. I'm always here for you, huh? In the bad weather, rainy, thunder. You're scared of the thunder. You want mommy to be here to hold you like a little baby, huh? Yeah, I know. I know. It's tough. But it's okay. She's watching Filipino show. She'll be home soon. Let's just enjoy the rain while it's here. While it's here. It's okay. I love you. Bite the rain. Bite the rain. It's alright. Bite it. Don't be afraid of it. It's just water. Bite it. So windy. So windy. I think it's moving somewhere else, the rain. It won't stay too long. It's better than nothing. Get out there, Lily. Come on, get out there in the rain. Don't be afraid. Come on, Lily. It's okay, it's only water. Ewa knows it's only water. Get out there, Lily. Come on. Don't hide. Don't hide behind your brother. You're making him cry. Don't make Ewa cry. Oh, it's okay, Ewa. Don't cry, it's okay. Mommy's coming home soon. Don't cry.